Prisons are meant to punish, but some were designed to break, torture, and even kill. Today, we're exploring the deadliest prisons in the world, places where survival was almost a fantasy. First, let's go to North Korea, to the infamous Camp 22. This wasn't just a prison. It was a death camp hidden from the world. Prisoners were subjected to forced labor, brutal torture, and systematic starvation. Imagine facing freezing winters with nothing but rags for warmth and barely enough food to stay alive. Escape was virtually impossible. Over decades, it's estimated that tens of thousands of people vanished within its walls, their stories buried in silence. Next, we travel to a place whose very name sends a shiver down your spine: Devil's Island. Located off the coast of French Guiana, this was France's solution for its most unwanted criminals and political prisoners. The isolation was absolute. Surrounded by shark-infested waters, inmates battled tropical diseases, grueling labor under a scorching sun, and guards known for their cruelty. For many who were sent there, it was a one-way trip, a life sentence of suffering far from home. Now to Brazil, and the Carandiru Penitentiary in São Paulo. By the early 90s, this place was a powder keg, dangerously overcrowded, and plagued by gang violence. In 1992, that powder keg exploded. A riot broke out, and the military police stormed the facility. What followed was a massacre. In the chaos, 111 prisoners were killed, many executed in their cells. The Carandiru massacre remains one of the most brutal and deadliest prison incidents in modern history. Let's head to Thailand, to Kwang Central Prison, grimly nicknamed the Bangkok Hilton. This is a place where hope goes to die. It's notorious for its harsh conditions, back-breaking labor, and its infamous death row. New inmates often spend the first 3 months with leg irons permanently welded on. With minimal food, little to no medical care, and extreme overcrowding, prisoners endure years of suffering, a slow, agonizing punishment. Finally, we step back in time to a landmark known more as a tourist attraction today, the Tower of London. For centuries, however, this fortress was England's most feared political prison. Its dungeons held queens, scholars, and anyone who dared to defy the crown. While not a conventional prison, countless lives were lost within its stone walls through torture, starvation, neglect, and public execution. Its history is a grim reminder of how power can be used to crush dissent. From modern-day forced labor camps to medieval dungeons, these prisons weren't just about confinement. They were engineered to destroy human beings, body and soul. It raises a chilling question: where is the line between punishment and pure torture? And have we truly left these methods in the past? If you found this exploration into dark history fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments which of these prisons shocked you the most. Thanks for watching.